Hello, this is a video tour of 1651 Fulton. This is located in a great location, just a block and a half to a grocery store, walking distance to parks, Divisadero, and so much more. Okay, so let's enter the building here. We're going to be touring a lovely 2-bedroom flat. And we're going to start this tour off towards the front of the building, where you'll find a nice big living room with bay window. There is a decorative fireplace, beautiful hardwood floors throughout. There's gas heating and heater vents in each of the rooms. Here's the view out the window here. We're located on the top floor, so it is very quiet. And this is a very quiet building as well. Nice big open space. Okay, you have a formal dining room, which is somewhat open to the kitchen. Pocket doors, and they work really well. Lots of recessed lighting. You have direct access to a small patio there. You could put plants, and you have access from the kitchen and the dining room. Beautiful kitchen. There's a microwave, gas range, stainless refrigerator, and dishwasher. Lots of counter and cabinet space. There's also a pot rack that comes with it. Right across the way here is a little bar. Here is a bonus seating room here. Lots of beautiful molding and details. And here is the first bedroom. The bedrooms are located off the street. This is the bathroom, which you can enter from both bedrooms. And let's take a peek inside this closet here. Okay, so it's pretty deep. And to access the main bedroom, you walk through this bonus room. And here is the master bedroom. You have Juliet balconies, his and her sink. Here is the bathtub and shower combination, which is all open to the bedroom. Here's your toilet. And you have access to the Jack and Jill bathroom. This has many closets. This one has a double bar. And one more towards the back. Okay, so from this room here, you can access the laundry room and backyard. Please contact Liz at rentalsnsf.com to view this space, and we'll be able to show you the parking garage as well. So here is the shared backyard. And straight back, right over here, is the laundry room. You have 2 sets of laundry machines shared with the building. And there you go. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much.